In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Google Play Store on the Nintendo Switch 2. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the main menu of your Nintendo Switch, then you want to go to the bottom menu and scroll until you reach System Settings. Once you're over here, you want to go to the left menu and select on Internet, then you want to go ahead and press on Internet Settings. It is now going to search for all of the networks within close proximity to you, and you should already be connected to a internet connection if you're watching this video, and all you want to do is you want to select on your internet connection, and then you want to go ahead and press on Change Settings. Once you're over here, a menu like this will appear, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and keep on scrolling down until you see this option that says DNS Settings, and you want to change it from automatic to manual. Then you want to go ahead and find the line that says primary DNS IPv4. So it is this one right here. It should be the top one. And whenever you do press on it, you'll notice that it is going to be just a bunch of zeros. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just delete all of those zeros. And then from here, you want to go ahead and put these numbers instead: 0, and then 4, 5, and then dot, and then 0, 5, 5, and then another dot, 1, 4, 2, then another dot, and then 1, 2, 2. Then go ahead and press on the plus button on your controller to select on OK. Then you want to go ahead and press on save, and now it will say that the settings have been saved. So go ahead and just press on OK right after that, and now it will begin searching for networks within close proximity to you again. And then you just want to select on your network. Then you want to go ahead and press on connect to this network right over here. And now it is going to bring you a tab that looks like this. And it is actually going to fail, but that is 100% normal. Do not worry, guys. It will say this network requires user registration. And from here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on A or just OK. And then eventually it is going to load in a menu that looks like this. And you just want to select on the first option that says go to Google. Once you're over here, you'll now have access to the Google search engine on the Nintendo Switch 2, which is honestly pretty cool. And all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar just like so. And then you just want to go ahead and type in Google Play Store right over here. So let's go ahead and do that really quickly. Then once you're done with that, you just want to go ahead and begin searching for it right over here. And you want to go to the official Google Play Store website right over here. So go ahead and press on that. And then from here, it is going to take you to the actual Google Play Store. And then from here, you can go ahead and begin installing some apps and in general, just have a ton of fun. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you. The Google Play Store really is not optimized for the Nintendo Switch 2. So you may encounter bugs or glitches whenever you're trying to download anything or just use any of the service. So please keep that in mind. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.